What is MCP? The protocol behind every modern AI integration. In 2 minutes, the full picture. Before MCP, every AI app needed custom code for every data source. 4 apps, 4 sources, that's 16 separate integrations to build and maintain. Add a 5th source, you write 4 more. Every team rebuilds the same plumbing. MCP fixes that. One shared protocol in the middle. Each app speaks MCP once. Each source speaks MCP once. Add a new source, every app picks it up for free. Same idea as USB-C. A standard wins because nobody writes one-off cables anymore. An MCP server exposes 3 things. Tools, actions Claude can run, like read a file or send an email. Resources, data Claude can read, like file contents or database rows. Prompts, pre-written prompt templates the server offers. Most servers focus on tools. Resources and prompts are nice-to-haves. 3 roles. The host is the app, Claude desktop, cursor, or your own. The client lives inside the host and handles each connection. The server is the external process that exposes tools. 2 ways to connect. stdio for local servers, HTTP for remote ones. Local stdio is the default, and what we'll use in the next episode. MCP server count grew 18 times year over year. It's adopted by Claude desktop, cursor, N8N, Z, and continue. Over 1,000 open-source servers already exist on GitHub. If you build for AI in 2026, MCP is on your stack, whether you write it yourself or consume it. 3 takeaways. MCP replaces custom integrations with one shared standard. The server exposes tools, resources, and prompts. Host, client, server, 3 roles, 1 connection. Tools, resources, prompts. Host, client, server, stdio or HTTP. That's MCP. You know what MCP is. Next episode, we install your first MCP server in Claude desktop.